This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See, I'm thinking, see, I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. Many gives a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, I got these shills, these bad actors, trying to tell me that FTDs are required, fair to the livers are required in order for the market to run more efficiently. Okay, this is absolute nonsense. Okay, absolute nonsense. Fair to the livers are a way for them to rob retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. I want you guys to think about something. Let's say I'm a car dealer. I only have one 2024 Mercedes S-Class. Only have one. But I have 20 buyers. So I can only sell one S-Class technically because there's only one Mercedes-Benz S-Class left. So I decide I'm going to go to the printer in the office and I'm going to print 20. Well, we don't have one. I have one original. I'm going to print 19 copies of the title for the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. I'm going to print 19 copies of the title. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell everybody that wants to buy this S-Class that send me the money. I'm going to send you the title to the S-Class, and then I will have it delivered to you in the future. So now you have 20 people with titles to this one 2024 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, but there's only one vehicle. 20 titles, one vehicle. And everybody is waiting on delivery. They all already gave me their money. I have their money in my pocket. The money's in my account. And I did ship them the title, just like they ship us these electronic notifications in our account that we have the AMC shares. And then we wait. And we wait. And we wait. And somehow, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class does not show up at our door. So you know what they do? They send us a list and say, you know what? We failed to deliver the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Just hold on for a minute and it will come eventually. And now that this Mercedes-Benz S-Class is now on the failure to deliver, then after 30 or 35 days, we want to know where's our S-Class. And you know what they tell us? Well, it's on the threshold list, which means that we haven't delivered it in over 30 days. So eventually you might get it. And then you know what they do? They take the 19 Mercedes-Benz S-Class titles that are on the threshold list, on the FTDs, the fair to delivers, and they send it to the Cayman Islands. So then when we ask them, where is our 2024 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, they go, we don't even know if we owe you that, because we don't see any record of that transaction. That transaction no longer exists. Yes, we told you it was a fair to deliver. Yes, we told you you would have that S-Class soon. But somehow, somebody took the record that we were supposed to deliver those 19 Mercedes-Benz S-Class to you, and they shipped it off to the Cayman Islands. So because they shipped the record of us owing you 19 Mercedes-Benz S-Class to the Cayman Islands, you can no longer ask us about it. It can no longer be recorded. It doesn't exist. Does that make logical sense to anybody? Could that business model exist anywhere else but the United States stock market? So when you shills leave me messages that fail to the livers is to make the market more efficient, that is absolute nonsense. Failure to the livers are another tool that you use to rob retail investors, to rob pension funds, and rob institutions that follow the rules. Because nobody's going to accept failure to the livers on vehicles. They're not going to accept that. And you just making the transaction disappear is not going to be acceptable. It would be considered fraud. It would be a fraudulent transaction. So the only reason you guys have FTDs is not for market efficiency. It's so you can have another tool in your toolbox to rob retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. Anyway, leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Would any of you guys accept failure to the livers on a 2024 Mercedes-Benz S-Class after they sent you a title that you thought was real, which in fact was counterfeit? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.